Welcome back to our channel. We provide you detailed information on medicines and drugs to help you inform your health. In today's video, we can talk about PMT Anti Scabies Lotion. Coverage, uses, benefits, side effects, how to use and how it works. Let's get started. Manufactured by Salve Pharmaceuticals Private Ltd. PMT Anti Scabies Lotion. Uses. PMT Anti Scabies Lotion is used in the treatment of scabies, a skin condition caused by tiny insects called mites that infest and irritate the skin. Benefits. PMT Anti Scabies Lotion is an anti-parasite medicine that works by paralyzing and killing scabies mites and their eggs. Generally, the lotion is applied to the whole body except the face and head, as advised by the doctor. It should be washed off thoroughly after 8 to 12 hours. Often, a single application is enough to treat the condition completely, although sometimes a second application may be required after 1 week. The medicine helps relieve itching, swelling, and redness caused by the mites. However, dead mites may continue to cause itching for some time. Side effects. Like all medicines, PMT Anti-Scabies Lotion may cause some side effects. Common side effects include burning sensation, tingling, and stinging sensation at the application site. If these side effects persist or worsen, medical advice should be sought. How to use. PMT Anti-Scabies Lotion is for external use only. Use it in the dose and duration advised by your doctor. Shake the lotion well before use and apply it evenly to the affected area. How it works. PMT Anti-Scabies Lotion is a synthetic pyrethroid that acts on the nerve cells of scabies mites. It works by disrupting the normal function of nerve cell membranes, causing paralysis and death of the mites and their eggs. This action helps eliminate the mites responsible for scabies and allows the skin to heal.